Today, the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe versus Wade, returning abortion decisions back to the states.
A decision from the Supreme Court today that could impact the future of women's health for millions of Americans. The court sided with the state of Mississippi and moved to eliminate the constitutional right to an abortion.
Skylar Henry has more on today's decision.
Protesters erupted outside the Supreme Court after the justices ruled to overturn Roe versus Wade.
I kept hoping for the best, but it's clear that these justices don't care about the majority of Americans and their voices.
This is going to be like history. This is just the beginning of, the pro-life generation, being there for women, for the unborn.
Writing for the majority, Justice Samuel Alito said the Constitution does not confer a right to abortion. Chief Justice John Roberts joined the other 5 conservatives in upholding Mississippi's abortion ban, but wrote he would have stopped short of overruling Roe outright.
It's a sad day for the court and for the country.
President Biden called the decision wrong and extreme.
Now, with Roe gone, let's be very clear. The health and life of women in this nation are now at risk.
The court's 3 liberals agreed, writing they dissented with sorrow for the many millions of American women who have today lost a fundamental constitutional protection. The court's ruling wasn't a surprise. It'd been forecast several weeks ago following a leaked draft indicating which way the justices were leaning. The decision is expected to lead to abortion bans in roughly half the states.
This decision is a victory for the pro-life movement and for the generations of Americans who never gave up hope.
The ruling puts the court at odds with a majority of Americans. CBS News polling found 2/3 wanted the court to leave Roe versus Wade in place, as it has been for nearly half a century. Skylar Henry, CBS News, at the Supreme Court.
Well, in addition to overturning Roe, Justice Clarence Thomas also called on the court to overturn other rulings, including protections for same-sex marriage and the use of contraceptives.